Good job, Anna. It's a salt and pepper.
Salt, pepper. Thank you. Yeah, you're gonna need that for cooking. Put it in the pan. Put it in the pot. That's right.
Good job, Anna.
Don't want under-seasoned food, Anna.
Cover it up. Good job.
Yay.
All right, let it cook. Not done, huh?
A little more salt.
A little more salt.
A little more salt.
Good job,
How
Anna.
about some pepper?
You gotta stir it though,
A little
Anna.
more pepper.
Can you stir it? Oh, okay. You wanna stir? Stir. Yeah, you can stir with that. Stir with that. Stir. Okay, good job. Ooh, time to eat already, huh?
Dinner is served. Okay, Daddy. Oh, you have to